Tata Steel is among the top steel producing companies in the world with an annual crude steel capacity of 34 million tons per annum. It is the second largest steel company in India with an annual capacity of 13 million tons after Steel Authority of India Limited. Tata Steel operates in 26 countries with key operations in India, Netherlands, and United Kingdom and employs around 80,500 people. Tata Steel gave a total return of 251.53% in the last 1 year, outperforming Sensex returns of 44.22%. Will it continue its bull run? What are its projected price targets? I'm Dr. Krish. Welcome to our channel Chrisdom Investor. Here you get timely, quality, and unbiased opinion on the stocks and investment opportunities. Friends, today I am going to introduce you to the Edelweiss Mobile Trader app. Edelweiss Mobile Trader app is a powerful blend of high-end technology and simplicity for smooth trading and investing experience. The key features of Edelweiss Mobile Trader app are: number 1, watch lists. Help you track stocks on the go. You can create multiple watch lists as per your requirement. Number 2, SWOT analysis. Do a thorough research of any stock and enhance your understanding. Number 3, advanced charting. Spot latest trends with advanced technical charts like PNF, Renko, and so on. Number 4, screeners. Focus, filter, and find the right fit to your trading style through screeners. Option chain. Navigation of option trades simplified with real-time updates on OA, change in OA, implied volatilities, and Greeks across index and stock option contracts. Further, get the latest updates with the extensive news section. The app is now available in Hindi, Gujarati, and Tamil. Download the Edelweiss Mobile Trader app now. Link is provided in the description. You can also open an online account with Edelweiss. They provide features like free demat and trading account or zero account opening charges. Flat rupees 10 per order for equity and F&O. Access to advanced trading platforms. No hidden charges. More details on the plans are provided in the description. Please check them out. Tata Steel was recommended in our channel's members only area at 300 levels, revised at 700 levels again, and further targets are revised regularly towards the upside. Alright, now what do you have to know before investing in Tata Steel? Number 1. Financial year 2021 was an extraordinary year for the global economy and the steel industry. We have seen an excellent recovery in the construction, automotive, capital goods, and consumer goods. Tata Steel has benefited well from such global and local factors. Western market steel prices and spot spreads remain elevated. Chinese steel spreads corrected. Tata Steel took advantage of them. Number 2. Tata Steel's leadership position across the segments. Every second LPG cylinder are made from Tata Steel HR coil. 1 out of every 7 individual home builders build their homes with Tata Tiscon rebars. 1 out of every 2 two-wheelers in India uses Tata Precision tubes. Every 4th stainless steel utensil in India contains Tata Steel chrome ore. 2 out of every 3 cold storages in India use Tata pipes. Number 3. India steel demand impacted by second wave of COVID-19. Steel consumption shrank by 14.8% quarter on quarter. But Tata Steel posted excellent Q1 numbers because it optimized plant operations, the advantage of increased steel price, ramped up production quickly to pre-COVID level, used technology to drive efficiency, squeezed spending and curtailed capex, etc. Number 4. New products developed across customer segments like auto, BPR and IPPE. These products contributed 10 to 12% to the top line so far. Point number 5. Excellent performance year on year. Consolidated EBITDA almost doubled. Pan-India dealers and distributors increased. Patents granted doubled from 58 to 109. Net debt reduced by 30%. Consolidated profit after tax increased by 7 times. Point number 6. Tata Steel's new initiatives such as Ashiana. It is a online platform by Tata Steel targeted towards individual home builder segment. New service and solutions, steel recycling business and new material business for developing sustainable products are progressing well. Point number 7. Delivered strong financial performance in quarter 1 of financial year 2022. Highest ever quarterly consolidated EBITDA of rupees 16,185 crores. Generated free cash flow of rupees 3,553 crores, debt repayment of rupees 5,894 crores, net debt to EBITDA improved sharply to 1.59. High growth in operating profit of 65.6% CAGR. Net profit has seen a high growth of 16,410% over the previous period. Near-term sales trend is very positive. Tata Steel is technically in a bullish range. The current price of rupees 1503 is above the 50-day moving average of 1259 and 200-day moving average of rupees 879. All popular indicators indicating a bullish trend. FIIs have increased holdings this quarter and now they are holding 21.94% of the company. Retailers have only a 24% stake. Point number 8. The most important point on when this cyclical rally will end. In layman terms, my answer goes this way. If you observe the Tata Steel price cycles, every time when it bottoms out, that is making low, its price to book value is less than 1, which implies book value is more than price. Usually, we buy a company share when the share price is less than the book value. Here, in the cyclical business, irrespective of book value, we sell the stock when its business cycle closing to end. At the end of March 2021, its price to book value is 1.32 and most of the retailers thought it is the peak and sold the shares. But today, price to book value is close to 2.3. So, is this the top where you have to exit? With the government of India's strong infra push, where steel sector participation is much needed and bounce back of consumer demand happening at its various segments, assuming Tata Steel having constant demand for its products for the next decade and it is coming out of the cyclical framework, what will be the fundamental projection of price then? Let me show you the graph of price to book value of Infosys. Price to book value at the end of March 2021 is at above 7.6. Assuming such a price to book value to Tata Steel at constant book value, of course, it has never happened so far because Infosys is a technology script having high demand, sector characteristics are different as on today, but let's assume such a price to book value to Tata Steel, then Tata Steel price should be at rupees 4,500 levels. Let's be practical and based on Christem's EVA metric scores, I project a target of rupees 2,358 in the next 6 quarters. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video. Once it reaches 1000 likes, I will release the next video. If you want a model portfolio with my early stage multi-bagger stock ideas, please join as a half-yearly member using Front Page app. Link is given in the description. Use discount code CHRISDOM010 to get a 10% discount.